Alright, so here we have what was listed as a product by Sho 34 decibel noise canceling shooting earmuffs. So these are going to be good. I actually just got another pair of noise canceling headphones, not earmuffs. So I want to be able to compare these to those. And I did receive this product for free in exchange for the review. This isn't a product that I have a lot of experience with, because honestly all the shooting that I've ever done just out at the house, you know, we just put in earplugs if we put in anything, but often we didn't even do that. So, and I know it's not safe, but it doesn't matter. You know, we were outside, so that's just what we did. So these are supposed to be 34 decibel noise canceling shooting earmuffs, and as you're initially looking at it, the first thing I can tell you is that these aren't going to be true noise canceling, at least not active noise canceling, because there is no power to this. You know, it's just going to be a physical noise canceling just by the earmuffs. There's a pad on the top. I'm trying to see if it's, you know, it does compress, you know, to get really small, but I don't really see it being adjustable as far as, oh, nope, not adjustable. That's just moving the pad around. So not adjustable as far as size goes. There we go. It is. It's on this end piece right here. This thing pinches pretty tight, which is going to be pretty valuable. I mean, if that's going to be the noise canceling, you know, the compression is going to be what's really important. So you're going to want to make sure that it's pinched tight and fits really well. So let me go ahead and just toss these on real quick. Oh, there you go. Sho. So let me toss these on, just tell you about comfort real fast. Obviously this is not going to be like an official part of the review as far as something that can be measurable and tested, but it's something that I just want to at least be able to do for you. Alright. Wow. So this part really does go over the ear pretty tight, and whatever this padding and stuff is in here, this does a pretty good job of just blocking off any sound. You know, if I were to compare with some active noise canceling headphones that I just picked up, the powered ones, I would say they're kind of similar. This doesn't block blunt noise quite the same as that other one. The other headphones pretty much eliminated it, whereas this just, you can still kind of hear it on the outside. High-pitched sounds, though I don't really have anything right now that I can test that with. So what I'm going to do is, of course, give this a good trial, good shot, and you know, once I've been able to examine it further and test it a little bit more, I'll be able to write up a more thorough review for you guys. There's the unboxing. These are the Sho headphones. No instructions needed, like I said, because they're not powered or anything. You just put them over your ear, but they should, from what I can understand by the listing, they should be able to block 34 decibels of sound. So, alright, thanks a lot.